Carvana's been hitting a few bumps, possibly getting a few scratches, or even a dent. Yet its proverbial passengers look past its earnings miss and stand on the side of the road that posits sustainable volume growth alongside expanding EBITDA at scale to propel margins for further fuel. In its most recent quarter, adjusted EBITDA was $511 million, below expectations of $535.7 million, overshadowing all-right results. The market reaction was rather harsh because expectations had risen significantly following a dramatic rally that saw the stock more than double in 2025 and earn inclusion in the S&P 500. After all, Q4 revenue climbed 58% year-over-year to $5.6 billion, ahead of estimates near $5.25 billion, while retail unit sales rose 43% to 163,522 vehicles. Net income reached a record $951 million, aided by a $618 million non-cash benefit, translating into a 17% net income margin and 7.6% operating margin. Earnings per share came in at $4.22. For the full year 2025, Carvana sold 596,641 units, up 43%. Generating $20.3 billion in revenue, a 49% increase. Full-year adjusted EBITDA totaled $2.2 billion, with net income of $1.9 billion. The bearish bumps that have arisen point to how Carvana's valuation hinges on sustained EBITDA outperformance rather than just top-line growth. With a market capitalization around $87 billion and trading at roughly 57 times forward earnings, investors have priced in continued rapid margin expansion. Even a modest EBITDA miss can therefore trigger outsized volatility. In some respects, Carvana investors and supporters could be called Carvanites because of their unwavering enthusiasm in the face of semi-regular shocks against the company. And in a way, you can't really criticize their view too harshly, considering the striking turnaround it's gone through in the last few years for a legendary stock bounce. After facing liquidity concerns in 2022, Carvana has restructured costs, improved unit economics, and benefited from resilient used car demand amid affordability pressures and tariff-related effects on new vehicle pricing. Its vertically integrated model-controlling logistics, inspection, reconditioning, and digital retail has become central to the bullish base that holds it up. Even analysts have commented that much of its infrastructure is already built and running below capacity, allowing incremental volume growth to flow through at attractive margins. In the larger world of used cars, the market is still relatively fragmented, giving Carvana a long runway for online adoption. Only about 2% of used vehicle transactions occur fully online today, suggesting meaningful structural migration potential. UBS estimates Carvana's current roughly 1.5% market share could rise to 4% by decade's end and potentially 8% over 10 years, with EBITDA compounding at approximately 25% annually. To stay ahead of the curve, Carvana also invests in customer experience with things like same or next-day delivery expansion across major metro areas. Management maintains that scale drives a, quote, flywheel, where higher volumes improve vehicle sourcing, selection, and pricing, which in turn attract more customers. Gross profit per unit is reportedly about double the industry average, further fueling the idea that Carvana is operating more like an e-commerce platform than a traditional dealer. Looking ahead, Carvana guided to significant growth in both retail units and adjusted EBITDA in 2026, including sequential improvement in the first quarter assuming stable market conditions. Market attention is also fixated on whether growth can continue at high rates without pressuring margins, as the company reinvests in logistics and market expansion. So while the road isn't always smooth, Carvana still has a long way to go on its figurative road trip. While we wait to see if it can reach its destinations and stops, look at some other supercharged stock charts before you annoyingly ask, are we there yet? For that, you can use TradingView, your trusted tool to track and scan the markets. Try it for free, link in the description and pinned comment.